Today I brought you another recipe, making your own fish balls. Do you like fish ball and you are so careful what you put inside your body? Worry no more. Today I brought you this recipe that you can make your own fish balls. All you need is just few ingredients. So you can see it's so quite easy. It's not so difficult. Don't think it's too complicated. It's not. You can make it. So sit back and watch from the beginning to the end and see how I did it. And I know you can do it. So on my today's video, I'm using this boneless fish. You can see. So this fish still contains some eyes, so which I purposely left it like that. So I have to slice it to make it easier for my blender to blend through by giving it a cut. So use any fish of your choice for this recipe. So here I added my onions and some garlic. So I'll blend it. So I'll be blending it until it forms a paste. So you can see how it's turning. So this is my mixed ingredient, which is made of tapioca starch with potato starch and my spice, which is salt and chicken powder. So feel free to spice it as you want. So I dissolve it with water and I will pour it inside and continue to blend it together. So now it's ready. Let's form a good paste. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. This is Glattery. So please make sure you subscribe, love, like my video, comment, and please share. So see the way I'm scooping it. If you have some other thing that you can use it to make your life easy, please use it. So at this moment, this is what I got. So I have to use my hand to scoop it with the spoon. So make sure the water boils before you start putting them in. So you can see them floating. So this is quick to get done. Within 5 to 10 minutes, it should be okay. If you can do your own, why do you need to buy? You know, the most amazing thing is that you are sure of what is inside what you're eating. You know, make your own food and you will like it. So if you're a fan of fish balls, this is the time to explore on how you can make yours. It's very easy. So at this time, It's almost done. As you start seeing it steaming, then you need to bring it out. So if you plan to fry it, this is another opportunity. You can go ahead and fry it. If you plan to store it, just put it on a bag and tie it and freeze it. This is very easy to make. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? So I have to do another batch. So remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Love, like my video, comment, and please share so that others will get to see. So the second batch is ready. So with this recipe, I bet you can make your own fish balls that you will like, and you will be so happy that you did it for yourself. So you're gonna give it a try. You see, it came out so well and it tastes so good. You can see, very stretchy. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.